Hello, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly make some Christmas ornaments using Lightburn. These Christmas images I have on screen can be found for free in the link of the description. This snowflake and the bow will need an outline for them to work. This is not in the file, so I will quickly show you how. If you already know how to, you can skip ahead. Select the snowflake, then from the side toolbar select the offset feature, make a small offset around the snowflake, then group it. Now we can do the same for the bow. If it doesn't offset properly like mine, you can ungroup the offset and edit the nodes. If you are unsure how to do this, I have a video on basic shapes that will help. The only difference is in Lightburn you must have the object ungrouped in order to edit. Now let's start by drawing a circle. We do this by selecting our ellipse tool from the left toolbar, then click and drag. Now, let's offset our circle. This is also found on the left toolbar. Set it to around 5, bigger if you want, but 5 is almost 10 mm increase. Then with the selection tool select them both. Now we need to make them one shape for the next process to work. We do this by choosing the weld option from the toolbar. Next, I'm going to show you how to make them simply pattern around our circle. This will create a nice but quick and simple design. Place a design of yours, or from the download link at the top of our circle shape. Once in place, use the center align at the top of the screen to make sure it is in the middle. Then select the shape and the circle together. If you don't, this is what happens. When you have both selected, click on the Array tool from the side toolbar. This will bring up the option panel. Make sure to have your shape overlapping the first circle's line. With the Array panel open, set the amount you want to repeat the shape. I like to do mine so they overlap a little bit. You may find that sometimes you get an extra one, simply just delete it. With the objects now done and overlapping, select it all. Then from the side toolbar, pick the weld option again. This will weld all our shapes together to make one single one. You can leave it like this if you wanted, but if you want to make it a tree hanger, you will need to add an outline frame. This is done in the same process as the first circle we did. Draw out a circle and make sure to overlap it with the rest of the design. Once this is in place, center it, then do another offset. You need to make sure you weld together both outside circles. After this is done, you can select it all, then this time choose the Boolean option from the toolbar, not the weld option, as this will give you the wrong results. You can add a centerpiece if you want to make it personalized. This can be done by drawing a rectangle, then with it all selected, use Boolean again to attach it to the design. Now we need a piece at the top to place ribbon or string so we are able to hang it. This is the same process again. Simply draw two small circles, weld them together, then select it all and use Boolean. Let's make a different one. Make two circles again by drawing one of them, then using the offset tool to make the other, but remember, make sure to weld them together after. I'm going to use this Santa this time. I make a copy, then I place it at the top of my design, making sure it overlaps. Once I'm happy with the placement, I use Boolean tool. This will attach it together and make it one shape. I then add a center box to be able to personalize it or put some engraved text on. I make sure it's centered and then I use Boolean tool again. I added some text, then placed the bow where I wanted it. Once in place, we use the Boolean tool again. I will speed up the video while I do the rest, as it is the same process, but you can design lots of possibilities just from these images. I will leave this design to save repeating myself. You can add a centerpiece again and the top circle for hanging if you wanted. These are pretty quick to make, once you get the hang of it, and the cutout time is quick also. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped you and we'll see you next video.